everyone, this is Varsha, your STEM instructor at ScienceUtsav. So today we are going to create amazing websites by using Wix.com. So let's get started. Now on Google, just type Wix.com and this is the first page that you will get navigated to. Simply click on Create New Site. After this, you are navigated to this page. Here it says what kind of website should this be. I will simply click on any of the website that you want to create. For in my case, I want to create a photography website. Over here, there are different types of templates given over here. You can use any one of the template and start editing your pictures. For example, here, if I click on Edit, I will be navigated to this page where it will get loaded to the template. It might take some time, but creating these websites are amazing. The designs that you get through these templates are also very beautiful. Also, you get the facility in Wix that you can edit your entire URL, you can put in your name and also share this with your friends. So here, as you can see, the template has been loaded. Over here, you have given different types of options to edit your template. For example, here, if I want to edit something, I can simply write the food. After this, I can change the font. I can change the font to any one of it. For example, if I want to make it as Comic Sans, let's make it as Comic Sans. Increase the font size or decrease the font size, depends on you. Also, I can make it as bold, also italic or underline. I can change the color of the text as well. Click on color and here you can see you have different shades and colors given over here. So let me choose this one. This looks good. Okay, so now this is the one where you can edit your text. Now you must be wondering how to add images. Simply just go on Add. And here you have different types of adding components. For example, you have text. If you simply click on text and write add heading, heading 1 is the largest, heading 2, we have heading 3, 4, 5, 6, we have paragraphs also. So you can choose any one of it. Here you can see you have different titles. For example, if I choose this and I start writing this, I'll write this is my website and I will change the font. I will increase the font size. Also, I will change the font color. I'll change it to something like this. Now, what you can do is you can change the image as well. For example, you can just click on the image that you want to change. Here you get an option which says change the strip background. I will click on this. And here you see you have multiple images given over here. In my case, let me put this one. And here you see our image is changed. Now, how do we publish this website? For this, just go on Save option that here you can see. Click on Save first. Here it gets that get a free Wix.com domain. Over here, you can edit your URL. For example, in my case, I will write Varsha Photography and I will just save it. After saving this, click on Publish. And here you can see an option which says View Site. Click on View Site. Once you click on View Site, you can see this entire page that you have created. You can also share this URL with your friends so that they get to know that you have created this amazing website. So this is all for now. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.